Hey readers, so today I want to teach you a reading strategy that good readers use when they come to a tricky word or a word they're not sure of. They can look at the pictures. So eagle eye helps us remember if you come to a word you don't know, look at the picture and see if that can help you solve an unknown or tricky word. So we're going to look at the book Gossie and Gertie, and we are going to look at the pictures if we come to a word we don't know. Gossie and Gertie. This is Gossie. This is Gertie. Gossie wears bright red boots. Gertie wears bright blue boots. They are friends, best friends. They splash in the, I can look at the picture to see if I can figure out the unknown word. They splash in the, I see rain in the picture. So the unknown word or the tricky word could be rain. Let's check the beginning sound. Oh, I see an R. Rain. Yep, it looks right. Good job, readers. We looked at the picture to help us solve the tricky word. They play hide and seek in the, let's look at the picture to see where they play hide and seek. I see flowers. Now, let's check the word to see if flowers looks right. Oh, the beginning sound is duh, duh. So, flowers. Flower starts with fluh, fluh. So it can't be flowers because it starts with a D, duh, duh. So I want to introduce you to another friend named Lips the fish. So when we're looking at pictures, if the picture doesn't help us solve the word, then we can also get our lips ready to make the first sound. That's another reading strategy that good readers use to help them solve unknown words. So they play hide and seek in the duh. So I know daisy is a type of flower. Let's see if daisy looks right. Daisy. Daisies. Yep, we solved it. Good job, readers. They dive in the pond. They watch in the night. So let's remember what we learned today. Eagle eye tells us to look at the pictures, use the pictures to help us read unknown words or tricky words. And Lips the fish says get your lips ready to make the first sound. Those two reading strategies will help you solve unknown or tricky words when you are reading.